So it's raining, yeah, and I'm pretty bored. So I decided, why don't I make a video? So today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 things you can do while it's raining. Let's go. Woo! Now, the first thing you can do is have a dance party. So the second thing you can do is organize your clothes. So right here I have some of my shirts color coded, I guess that you would be like, and hoodies and other stuff, and just a closet. The next thing is Netflix is the next option. I'm currently watching Shameless. I'm on season 4, episode 7. If you guys actually want a really good show to watch, you guys could watch this show. The next thing you could do is always draw. Drawing, you know, you don't really have to be good at it. And yeah, you can kind of just draw, write, anything. The next thing you can do is play badminton. Even though I'm pretty bad at it, I guess it's kind of fun if you have someone else to play with. Alright, so the next thing you can do is pretty much just make a quick snack or eat anything really. Alright, the next thing you can do is bottle flip. Oh, that was so close. Alright, the next thing you can do is either just stretch, you know, work out a little bit, get the blood flowing. And the last thing you can do is like and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. I'm Brian. See ya.